If you are trying to get more fruits and veggies into your day, a green smoothie is a great way to start. So here's my green smoothie. I have some pineapple, I have 2 kinds of greens, so that's 3 things, and I even have some broccoli sprouts in there. So I already started, oh, and avocado. So I already started with 5 fruits and vegetables. Now, before I eat it, I'm going to top it with some figs and some frozen berries. Frozen fruit is fabulous for you. It is picked right at the peak of ripeness, and so is packed full of antioxidants, and then it's frozen right away, and so it's very nutritious, sometimes even better than what is in the store, because it sits on the shelves in there, you know, even in the produce section of the refrigerator. So sometimes frozen fruit is a better option. So I've already got 7 fruits and vegetables here in my green smoothie. So come join me. I have a 12-a-day challenge starting September 19th. You get a free ebook. Click on the link and join.